Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is we got the slow motion over there. We're going to hop in our beater parts car. And we're going to get up to 30 miles an hour and throw this one out the window because it seems to be a beast. So let me go and start it. I said this one's got a bunch of problems. This is the one I'm using for parts to fix mine. So how I'm going to do this with one hand, I'm not to set you guys down. Unless I can get you guys to like sit up on the dash. Yeah, probably not. I'm going to have to set you guys down maybe to throw this. Because the steering on this thing pulls really bad, so. Let's see. Let me see if I can grab this phone so I can toss it out the window. Let's get up to 30 miles an hour. Alright guys, here we go. Alrighty. Let's go back and see how it did. Alright guys, I just got back. Let's go and stop the slow motion. And take the note and we'll throw it in the beater car. And here is the Casio, flipped open. I wonder how it did, guys. Oh, the front screen's still on. Look at that, 30 miles an hour. Let's get in the light real quick, or shade real quick. $30 miles an hour, guys. We're about to do it again, maybe even faster though. I'm going to set the slow motion down. Alright guys, we're going to do it again. So let me go and fire this thing up real quick. And here we go, 30 miles an hour. We're going to go up to like 45, maybe 50. We'll see how fast this thing can get. It's got a clogged catalytic converter, so it's really struggles to get up to speed. Grab the phone real quick. Let's see what we can do, guys. I wonder if it's going to survive this one, guys. It's going to turn the flashlight on. Flashlight is on now. Stupid, no power steering either on this. Alrighty, guys. I'll get my knee out here so I can drive straight. Okay. So let's see. Here we go. Got my knee out here driving. Alrighty, let me go check it, look and see how it did. Alrighty guys, shut this thing off. Oops, wrong way. Yeah guys, I don't have the original key for it right now, so I'm using the actual switch on the side. Alrighty. Flashlight is still on. Let me go stop the slow motion real quick. Alrighty, you got the Note 10. And here is the Casio. Still working. Look at that, guys. Took a big old chip out the screen right there. Out the car, guys. She's doing good. I say we drive over it. Let's drive over it. She just does not want to die. We're going to set it right here on this yellow mark. Let's get the slow motion out here. Alright, let's put this a distant away so I don't hit my damn phone. Alrighty. Let's go and hop in this thing. I need to get a windshield mount, guys. I said to start this thing, since I don't have the key with me right now, I'm going past the ignition switch. Alrighty, let's actually go in reverse. have a bunch of parts from this car in the back too, so hopefully we can get this thing lined up right, guys. So we're driving right now on the yellow mark. Yeah, I think we ran it over. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, guys, so I'm pretty sure we ran it over. Go and stop the slow motion. Set it in the truck. Alrighty, let's take a look. I'm pretty sure it got ran over. The flashlight's still on. LCD's still good. Would you look at that, guys? Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and just, man, guys, this thing's a beast. I don't know what to do with it. Well, we could do a burnout on it. This thing's got basically no tires on the back, so let's see. We're not gonna do slow motion on this one, guys. We're just gonna get it up as fast as we can and throw it out. I think that's our best bet at this point. Let's go see what we can do with this beater, guys. I'm almost out of gas too. Alrighty. Whee! Alright, let's see what we can do, guys. Here we go. Alrighty, guys, there's the phone. Go run over the keypad part of it. Oh yeah. Oh, my door's stuck. There we go. We're not gonna run over the screen because I know it's just gonna break the LCD. Let's go ahead and park on it real quick. See if it's still working. And I see it is under the tire. Look at that, guys. Oh, the screen is floppy as hell, guys. Let's go and pull off of it. Stupid door almost hit my leg. There you go, guys. That's how much of a beast she is, guys. Still takes it like a champ. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.